Oh, that is a good one.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Come on, get me a little higher there.
Really, dude?
What?
We need a new one.
Oh, no.
Yeah, your knees. Get over there, get it. Get her. Alright. Oh my gosh, that is Alright, so, okay, now we're done practicing, so hold it there.
Oh my god.
That's not too hard. That's
Hysterical.
Okay.
Great music.
Let it go around one row rotation. Come on, keep that baby up. Get it high. You gotta dance while you're doing it. Come on. You gotta dance while you're doing it. A little line dance going? No, I think you're Oh, don't drop it, don't drop it. That's it, Matt. Oh no. Okay, Debbie, you start. Fill in the circle. Oh. You know, I'll be out for you because it was good. Okay. You're gonna want to get closer. Get ready. You need to advance. You can all up All right. Try better. Come on, take it. Grab that thing. Grab that thing. Are you videoing? I don't see any dancing. Oh, I see. No, dancing.
That wasn't me.
Quick on that one.
She wasn't even out of the gate.
She
didn't even get out of the gate. Shut down. Shut down. Did I take this home with me?
You have to wait till we're done.
How would anybody pray that? Yeah, don't break it.
It's bigger. Woo! Oh! Woo! Bring it out.
That was fast.
Oh my god.
I'm glad you were dressed after all.
Oh god.
He's like really into it too.
Oh, different song.
Different song.
You gotta spin around. You gotta get it. Spin around and then get it back.
Okay, go on.
Okay, here's how it works. Take it, spin around, and then give it back. Okay?
Okay.
Ready?
We're talking about this one, right?
Ready?
Are you spinning too?
Yeah.
No, just you.
No fair watching, John. Get your back turned.
This is the best game I've ever played.
Oh man.
Oh my God.